as well as planting trees in their schools, as well as their homes. So our initiative greatly focuses on sustainability and greatly looks at the young generation as our steering wheel.
We are on a mission to ensure that all our forests are rehabilitated, all our forests are regenerated, and all our forests are taken care of, so that we get not only the percentage of the forest cover, but also we change our environment.
Family magana mugwanja ma 50 mwena wa Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a riu no magikorwo makirugama na ucamba na makiuge riu migunda ni yao thutha wa kwihota ito cia migunda magana mugwanja ma 50 ni minister wa migunda Minister Alice Wahome ugite thirikari ni rutanire gutigirira aria matari na taito cia migunda ni macigia.
Tukuhoera thirikari itu iheo.
Mpigie makofi anapokuja hapa tafadhali.
Uguo na guku
Sereide aya mokire Mary rimira wako ni kwa jabodo gwa siromase where are you.
Ofisi yangu imetayarisha title deeds 4,228 4,228. Kiasi kidogo hapo haijakuwa tayari kabisa. Itanibidi officers wangu wakuje hapa na hema ndio wafanye wakague vizuri, kwa sababu nikimaliza hii kazi sitaki nisikie kunu kanasere. Ningetaka tukimaliza hii kazi kila mtu awe amefurahia kazi ya serikali. Title deeds ambaye ni clear ni 3,600. Kwa hivyo ninabakisha tu kidogo hapo kama 600.
Nake Secretary General wa kiama kia ODM Catherine Omanyo akiugite kiama giki ni gukorwo gigiteaniria gutabania mirurungano ya kuhura thirikari, akiuga ati ithuro ria bururi matigitwo na thutha makiria ciige tabarira cia uthii wa nambere. Omanyo augite kiria o mareka ni kurehe hamwe atongoria nginyagia a mung'ethaniro hamwe kuma miena itiganite niguo kunyita mbaru thirikari.
Tena ninasema youth tuwe watulivu, maana sisi kama wamama tuko hapa kuwa back up. Sisi tumewazaa na tunataka amani kati ya youths wetu. Kwanza ninaomba sana chairman wetu Mama Gladys Wanga na leader wetu wa party Oburu, siku hiyo wa confirm mama wetu Catherine Nahabi Omanyo kama SG wa chama chetu cha ODM. Maana sisi kama wamama tunamtaka akalie hiyo kiti sawa sawa, na sisi kama wanabusia tunashukuru maana ni mtoto wa nyumbani, na tunapomuona mahala hapo tuna kila sababu ya kujivunia.
Mimi nimesimama kuongelea amani katika mji wa Busia. Kufuatana na convention ya jana ambayo itakuwa, sisi kama wamama tunatambua amani katika mji wa Busia. Na ningependa vijana wote wakuwe na amani siku hiyo tunapokuwa katika hiyo convention. Na ningeomba kila kijana mahali alipo awe mtulivu. Ningeshukuru mama wetu Mama Catherine Omanyo ambao ni SG, ambao baba tunajua baba wetu Oburu Odinga siku hiyo atamtambua kama Secretary General mwenyewe wa Kenya mzima. Hiyo siku ndio tutatambua. Na sisi kama wamama tumejitayarisha kupiga sigalagala kwa ajili Oburu Odinga atamtambua siku hiyo.
Vile baba alikufa watu walianza chezea sisi. Lakini nataka kuona hao watu, na ninashukuru rais wetu William Ruto. Yeye aliheshimu baba, akampa respect nzuri, akamheshimisha, akazikwa vyema kabisa. Na akakumbuka jinsi walisikizana kabla baba hajaaga, ili sisi kama watu wa ODM na UDA tuzidi kusimamisha Kenya bila ubaguzi wowote. Maendeleo sasa hivi imeanza kuja chungu nzima. Shukuru Mungu na uambie hii serikali 2 term, kwani iko shida gani? Kwa sababu nani alikuwa amewafikiriria hivyo? Hakuna.
Tukiuma harishia ODM tuthi harishige UDA, Commissioner wa UDA Mary Mutinga aneranire ithurano cia wamurani iria igatabanio igakorwo cirĩ na ũma na waragania. Akiaria arĩ kaunti ya Machakos hĩndĩ ya gũtabania kana gũtũngana na arĩa marahũranĩra iturwa ngũrani na kĩama gĩkĩ, augĩte kĩama gĩkĩ kĩa UDA nĩ kĩgathĩkĩte mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩkahũthĩka hĩndĩ ya ithurano.
Na kuna mambo kadhaa ambayo tumekubaliana kama viongozi come 2027. Hapa tuko na viongozi ambao wanaomba viti ama watakuwa naomba viti tofauti. Kuanzia mimi nitakuwa naomba kiti ya governor county ya Nairobi, tuko na women rep, tuko na MCAs and the members of parliament. Na kwanza hata tushukuru commissioner na UDA party leadership kwa kutupatia hakikisho kwamba uchaguzi mdogo ama nomination itakuwa free and fair. Na hiyo imetutia motisha kwa sababu kuna watu wanakuwa na tabia ya kutafuta tiketi chini ya maji. Kwa hivyo tunasema kama wewe ni kiongozi ambao utakuwa unataka kiti, ikuwe ni governor, ikuwe ni senator, ikuwe ni women rep, enda ukaombe kura mashinani. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana UDA leadership na Madam Commissioner kwa hiyo hakikisho. Jambo la pili, tumesema sisi tunaunga mkono uongozi wa rais wetu William Samoei Ruto. Za Wakamba Nairobi ni nyingi sana. Tuko zaidi ya 1400. Na sisi tumesema tutaungana mkono kuhakikisha kwamba kila Mkamba ambaye amejiandikisha kura Nairobi, kura yake hizo kura 400,000 zote tutapatia William Samoei Ruto.
About elections, I want to assure you, all those people who want to vie with UDA and who are vying with you, and I'm one of them who will be doing those nominations. So we will be very free and fair. Hakuna kuiba. Nobody will steal those votes. We are making very nice gadgets, very beautiful materials that you cannot steal. Ensure all the candidates, if you are vying, if you are standing a seat with UDA, ujue kwamba what you need to do, it's only to get your people from the grassroots. Fanya kazi yako kwa ground. Go and buy those people. And I want to tell you, hakuna mtu anaweza ninunua nikupatie tiketi. Hakuna.
Nĩ ngatho na tukiuma kũu hau nĩ ũtuko tũgĩikĩria na wona twacokereria tũmũrĩke ciĩgiĩ kũrĩa Nyandarua ũrĩa mathomo maragĩtwarithio na mbere.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
O muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu, Nairobi. Kiugo kĩa Ngai na ũtungata wa Roho Mũtheru.
Yes. When favor is upon you, hata security iko juu yako. Security hiyo ni kumaanisha hata mshawi na mugaka hawatakuweza.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mũtambo-inĩ wa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Bwana Yesu Mwangaza wa Neno FM. Shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ, ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco.
Hihi we murutwo ũrĩkĩtie form 4 kana mũciari ũrethera mwana wake thukuru, ndũgatangĩke rĩngĩ, kuona thukuru wa Jewel Technical College rĩu nĩ ũragwĩtĩra intake. Gũkũ arutani aitũ nĩ makinyanĩire ikĩro iria ciagĩrĩire, na tũrutaga arutwo aitũ na macini cia kĩrĩu na makaheo ũmenyo ũrĩa wagĩrĩire kũringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citũ nĩ ta ũrugi nĩguo hospitality, ũthaka arĩguo cosmetology, umemerekia arĩ journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence, na thiomi cia nanja ta German. Marĩhi maitũ nĩ mabacĩrĩre wega gũkinyĩria gĩkĩro gĩothe kĩa mũrutwo. Tũcerere ũmũthĩ Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatũ, kana no tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0701 300 701 nĩyo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke ĩtanathira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ewe ni wenderera we. Kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka ĩyo yothe ri. Ũmũthĩ ũyũ ngoma angĩarĩria tũrĩ anime. Moke magũkua indo ciaku. Ũngĩka atĩa? Kana ũngĩambĩrĩria kũmacaria na mĩguĩ ta njege. Tateng'era kũrĩa gwa Kimuma Engineering System, ũmere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganĩrĩra mũhuko waku. Oho, nĩ makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Nĩ makoragwo na access control system, iria cia kũhinya fingerprint ũgĩtonya, intruder alarm system. Na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels. Na nĩ makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic. Kũhinya ũkarimoti ũguo. Wĩra nĩ mũingĩ, twaga gũtinda kũng'ang'ana na ngeti. Nĩ mahetwo ngerenwa nyingĩ mũno. Nduka ciao ciĩ kũrĩa Nairobi CBD, macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House, ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House, second floor, room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza, ground floor, number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza, kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793 49 49 49 kana 0793 94 94 94 kana 0793 59 59 59. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twarĩkia gũcokereria oro rĩngĩ. Atongoria a kĩũteti na a kanitha nĩ morĩtio mũingĩ kũnyitanĩra harĩ kũgacĩrithia mathomo nĩ rĩtana rĩikĩtio hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria thukuru wa mũingĩ ũrĩa ũkinyanĩirio ũnyitanĩri na kanitha wa Gatoreki Diocese ya Nyahururu na gĩkundi kĩa Amba kĩa Amba International kuma kũrĩa Switzerland na mũingĩ wa Olkarau. Na hĩndĩ ya ũrugũrio wa thukuru wa St Cecilia Community Center ningĩ nĩ morĩtio gũkorwo na ũrũmwe na wendani.
In regards to the Constitution of Kenya, every child has a right to basic education. And this morning we were here for the official opening and blessing of this fantastic learning institution. I've just seen and we've gone round, and this is one of the most prestigious learning centers around this county. We want to thank the Catholic Church and all the partners who have partnered to give us this fantastic institution. It looks like every other prestigious school that you know around. And besides impacting knowledge, there's something else we've learned from this school. They are really building on the values so that we can get good citizens for tomorrow. The father in charge, the director of this particular institution, St. Cecilia Learning Community, has just told us that nobody walks with a key here. Nobody needs to lock in anything here because they are impacting the value of honesty. So they will be trustworthy citizens in future. The thing that we want to say is that government needs to complement these efforts that are being made by faith-based institutions, for example. When we see Catholic bishops, for example, complain that government is not complementing their efforts in terms of provision of like health services, when we see our health, faith-based health centers suffering because they are really being owed so much by SHA, it breaks our heart. We need to compliment them because indeed this is what government should be able to do, or this is what is expected of government. When we see other partners coming in, it's something that we must encourage them, and we want to encourage Father Onesimus. He's really doing much. Besides impacting knowledge on the students, they are doing things for the community. We've seen the computer lab, and it's open for all.
Most delighted because of the way we see them impacting lives and livelihood of the people of Dodori and the surrounding, especially on matters of integrity, because this country has really gone astray because of lack of integrity. So when the child is brought up with integrity, they will be future good citizens. I want to urge the government, in terms of the budget, we give the Ministry of Education almost 1 trillion, in fact minimum 700 billion Kenya shillings. That's huge budget. And for us to hear that the capitation doesn't go to the schools, it's quite disheartening.
Na tugitiria ikundi 22 kuma kaunti cia Laikipia, Isiolo, Thaburu na Marsabit ni magunĩkĩte na kĩgĩna gĩa carbon credit kĩa mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 655. Kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩtanyĩtwo gũtwarithia tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kũrĩa aikari a kaunti kana kũrĩ aikari a kaunti icio. Atongoria a ikundi ici makiugĩte kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩrĩa makoragwo magĩamũkĩra oro mwaka nĩ gĩkoretwo gĩkĩmahũra njeki na njĩra nene.
Hapo mbeleni NRC ndio alikuwa kama proponent yetu wa kusaidia, kwa sababu hata hao wenyewe ndio walituanzilia kwanza hii mambo ya project ya mwanzo, kwenda round kujua what community say, wataalamu wataenda huko namna gani kuchukua samples ya mchanga, kitu kama hiyo. Lakini sasa tuliona we want this project to be owned by the community themselves. NRC wametushika mkono, nimesimama. So sasa lazima nijisimamie. So tukaanza a company. Najua SPV is just a company ambayo inaundwa na tayari iko kwa process. Hivi karibuni itaanza kazi, ambaye directors are just people from the conservancies.
Tena tuko na kamati ndogo inaitwa Transition Committee, kwa sababu tuko na wakati sasa ya kutengeneza ile mradi ama ile kampuni tunaita SPV, ambaye baadaye tunaonea ndio hiyo ndio itakuwa ya jamii. Directors watakuwa wanatoka kwa jamii. So hiyo kamati ndogo mimi ndio chairperson wa hiyo kamati ndogo. So nashukuru leo tumekuwa tatu.
Na hii process sasa, kabla hiyo pesa haijawachua, kuanzia tarehe 1 watu wataenda, hii chairmen na komiti zao wataingia huko ndani. Kila zone iko zones over 365 I think kwa jumla. Hiyo zones yote lazima watu watembelee, kuelimisha, kujulisha hii pesa ya conservancy kama tuseme ya Melako ni 50 million. Hii 50 million iko ya operations ya kawaida ambaye ni 20%. Iko ile ya rangeland.
Sisi tulijenga na tourism banda
ambaye saa hii inafanya kazi na pia tuko na campsite. Sisi kama wamama tulipewa pesa ya kufanya biashara kwa muda wa miaka 2, na hiyo pesa wakati community wanapewa wanaenda kwa community AGMs, hawa ndio wana identify ile projects wanataka.
Nĩ ngatho na hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma ithaa rĩrĩ. Njĩtagwo Irimwa Wanjirũ, mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Sharon Mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ araika hamwe na Ngai Maroko gitũ tukwa ũmũthĩ ũroko matakana nĩ ngwendete no na Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria.